In this video, how to install uBlock Origin extension on Google Chrome. As you can see, the Add to Chrome button is disabled because Chrome no longer supports Manifest version 2 extensions starting from Chrome version 140. However, you can still re-enable it until Chrome version 142. First, close all open Chrome windows. Search for the Google Chrome app. Right-click and select Open File Location. This will navigate to the Chrome Shortcuts location. Right-click on the shortcut and select Properties. Add this at the end of the target after the quote mark, with a space between them. The target will look like this. Click Continue to save the changes. From now on, when Chrome launches, the extension Manifest v2 will be enabled automatically. As you can see, you can now install the extension as usual. Additionally, using this method, you can install all other MV2 extensions as well. Alternatively, if the first method doesn't work, you can try a second method to enable Manifest v2 support in Google Chrome and then sideload extensions manually from the source code or a zip file. To do this, open the Chrome Flags page. Search for M1 and enable all unexpired flags. Once enabled, relaunch Chrome to apply the changes. Next, search for MV2 and enable the Allow Legacy Extension Manifest Versions option. Relaunch Chrome one more time. Now, to install MV2 extensions, you need to download the source code of the extensions. Visit the uBlock Origin homepage and navigate to its GitHub repository. Download the source code of the extension. Extract the downloaded zip file to a folder. Next, open the extension management page and enable developer mode. This mode allows you to install extensions from an unpacked folder instead of the Chrome Web Store. As you can see, the extension has been installed successfully. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.